Oh my gosh. My sister always does that. I'm going to tell her. I pulled you.
Spermatic cord right here. Spermatic cord. Spermatic cord. The testes, and right here, this little band is the epididymis. Epididymis, okay? The scrotum, testes, epididymis, penis, spermatic cord. Right here. Okay, so when people come over, you need to be able to tell them scrotum, testes, you can see right here, this little pink band, epididymis, penis, spermatic cord. Okay?
Scrotum one more time.
Scrotum.
Okay.
Alright? Okay, so this will be up here. So your diaphragm muscle, your liver, gallbladder, okay, and then your stomach, lesser omentum, greater omentum, spleen, your pancreas. So here's your mesentery proper, branches of the superior mesenteric artery. And this is your large intestine, mesocolon right here. You can see the branch of, or this is the inferior mesenteric artery. Okay. So.
Okay, you can show me.
So we can see the renal vein right here, renal artery. Parietoperitoneum I'm pulling off, see that? We talked about the parietoperitoneum last week and then also in class yesterday. Here's the ureter, right here. Okay. And here's your urinary bladder. There's the ductus deferens, which you don't need to know. We're going to, we don't want to ruin that part, so we're going to just do a little bit down in here. So you can see where the aorta splits. Find someone else's aorta, it would be the pink one running along here, but I wanted to preserve this. This is your mesocolon, this is your inferior mesenteric artery that other people don't have, but the aorta is running right along here, the abdominal aorta running along here, and then it'll split down here. Here's your external iliac artery, and then here's your internal iliac artery, and then here's your external that you didn't inject on this side. Okay, so yeah.